Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to learn about how to do a quantity takeoff of roof tile based on our detail. Okay, but first of all I would like to show you something about the section of it. Okay, so about the roof tile, this area is within the slope, such as the zinc at the previous lesson as well. So we will do the same that included in our pry later on when we input into our BXU, included with the round ref, round head end, and survey apex. You can see here. Okay, now let's get back to our detail. So for the roof tile, all we need is the flat area based on our layout, and then divided by cost data, the 30 degree based on our design. It's really simple. All you need to do is just polyline, create an area based on our roof tile design. As you can see, I have done here. Just draw a line and create an area, and then you go to QS Auto Pro Utility, and then you go to total area. All you need to do is just click on the area and click enter. Now you will get net area of the roof tile. All we need to do right now is just doing divided by cost data. So that will be cost radian 30 degree, and enter. As you can see, let me remove this one. Perfect. And now we take the, based on our formula, divide by 1, multiply, and then you take the net area based on our layout, multiply by 1 as well, in case we need to input the wastage later on, and divide by the cost data 30 degree, and boom, you will get it. There will be 197 square meter with a 30 degree slope, as you can see. So now let me clean this one up, delete this one, and there will be another accessory item as well we need to be included in our end, in our BXU later on. So let's double check it, the roof tile, as you can see. So here the shape of it, and it's all correct with the slope 30 degree. So I would like to end our lesson right here, and thank you for watching. See you guys for the next lesson.